Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'm going to add another review for my product review playlist, this time with Hikari Slim. What is Hikari Slim? This is an appetite suppressant supplement. Hindi siya pampapayat guys, but this is just an appetite suppressant. By just taking that supplement, is papayat ka and you achieve your target weight. Meanwhile, Hikari Slim is an appetite suppressant lang, which is makokontrol lang yung ating cravings sa mga certain foods like carbs, sweets, fried foods. Yun naman usually ang nagkukos ng pag-bloat ng ating body and eventually will lead us to weight gain. So, ayun. Kasama na doon yung, of course, yung water retention, yung high level of salt, which is yung nga, yung nagkukos ng water retention kaya tayo tumataba. Minsan, malaking factor din is yung pagkain ng maalat. Take note of that. Anyway guys before nyo i-take ito, just make sure authentic ang inyong binili from a legit distributor or seller. The recommended use is 4 to 6 capsules daily. Take 2 capsules 30 to 60 minutes before every meal. Can be diluted in water or mixed with your favorite drink. So, masyado yung 4 to 6 capsules. Ang ginagawa ko is isa lang. Isa lang iniinom ko before breakfast. So, ang ingredients niya is insulin fiber, Garcinia cambogia, white tomato extract, slim bone, green tea, vitamin C, L-carnitine, psyllium husk. More or less, ganito rin yung mga ibang appetite suppressant para magkakahawig ng mga ingredients. So, ito medyo 1, 2, 3, yung mga 8 herbal ingredients. So, ayan, as usual, so gold pa yung kanyang top, and then, ayan, so, meron siyang natirang dalawa. Ito yung itsura ng capsule. This is frosted light blue or parang ocean blue. Parang ganyan siya. So, hindi siya blue na blue. Meron siya parang ocean green. Ocean blue, ganyan. Tinake ko na siya siguro 2 to 3 months ago, and wala namang masyado. There's nothing much about this product, no. Ang maganda lang sa kanya is wala siyang walang palpitation, walang kabog-kabog ng dibdib, wala. Tapos hindi sasakit ang ulo, wala namang gano'n. Yun lang. I hate to compare, but yung ibang appetite suppressant na nasubukan ko is ayun nga, may issue ng palpitation, may issue ng skin dryness, tapos yung parang may anxiety, may konting anxiety side effects yung iba. I'm not gonna name those brands, pero just look for my previous videos, nandun yung sinasabi ko. During the first week, may konting breakout. Yun, medyo magkaka-pimples tayo ng mga 1-2 piraso, ayan, expected. During the first week na iniinom nyo. And then, sa water intake naman, parang wala naman akong nag-induce ng water intake. Pero, basta to-tolerate ko ang uminom ng maraming tubig since nag-take ako nito. So, ayun nga. Since nagpa-promise siya ng slimmer body, okay naman. Kasi nakatulong-tulong din naman siya. Of course, with the help of my intermittent, hindi ko kasi siya makredit lahat dito kasi nag-intermittent ako on the side. So, hand in hand, baka nagkakatulungan sila, which is maganda. Ayun, so feeling ko, at saka na maganda siya sa skin. Wala siyang gluta ingredients, pero nakakaputi. Nakaka-lighten ng skin and nakaka-lighten ng scars. Weight loss, I can't say enough na okay to for weight loss. Pero, kung masasuppress mo yung appetite mo, nasa control mo pa rin yun. Kung kailangan, balance talaga. Parang kung pumayat ka man or whatever, nasa sayo pa rin, nasa willpower mo. Hindi dahil sa kung ano-anong mga supplement na to, which is siguro may mga, sabihin na natin napaka-konting percentage na makakatulong. Pero, at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin ang magdedesisyon kung paano mo kukontrolin ang sarili mo sa mga bagay-bagay lalo sa pagkain. Kahit sabi mo pang magpalaypo ka, babalik din yun kung lifestyle mo is hindi mo babaguhin. So, it's really talagang willpower to change your lifestyle, your food intake, your sleeping habits, lifestyle in general. Baguhin mo lang kung ano yung tingin mo ay mali. Dami ko na sinabi, para akong life coach dito. Rate it from 1 to 10, as 10 as the highest, siguro I would rate it as 5 or 6. Sige, 6 na natin. Kasi hati kailangan, magtitake ka nito pero kailangan pa rin ng, gaya na sinabi ko kanina, willpower. Yun pa rin ang kailangan natin. That would be all for today's video. Thank you so much, Hikari Slim, for sending me your samples. And yeah, you can try it and see for yourself kung okay sa inyo, they good. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you again on my next product review. Bye!